This video covers installing the display mount on a wall. If you're using the mobile stand, watch the Assembling the Mobile Stand video instead. Follow the steps in your installation guide and arrange the pieces of the hanging beam assembly as shown. Join the top beam sections and secure them with the provided screws. Repeat this process for the lower beam. Attach the brackets to the ends of the vertical beams using the provided screws. Attach the vertical beams to the lower beam. Repeat this process for the upper beam. Before you begin, make sure the wall can support the display and the hanging beam assembly. Make sure there is enough room around the installation area for beam installation, cable routing, and control box access. Before mounting, check the wall to make sure the surface is flat. Both the vertical and horizontal curvature of the wall surface must be 5 mm or less. You can check the curvature by placing a straight edge against the wall surface and looking for gaps. Check vertically, then horizontally. If your wall's curvature is greater than 5 mm, it won't be suitable to mount the display. You may need to hang a 3/4 inch furniture-grade plywood sheet to the wall studs as a mounting surface. Make sure you have the necessary mounting screws, tools, and hardware for your type of wall. Determine the height of your display and lift the hanging beam assembly against the wall. Make sure the assembly is level. Mark the hole positions. Remove the assembly and put it aside. Then, using the marks, drill holes for the mounting screws. Lift the hanging beam assembly against the wall. Make sure it's level and secure it using the appropriate mounting screws for your mounting surface. When you're finished, proceed to the Mounting the Cabinets video.